This mistake ruins tile installs, even when everything looks fine at first. Most tile remodels don't fail because of the tile. They fail because of hidden problems no one sees coming. Wrong substrate. Skipped waterproofing. Poor layout decisions. Materials that look great, but don't belong in that space. And by the time cracks show up, grout fails, or water starts moving where it shouldn't, the money is already gone. Why homeowners lose money? Here's the hard truth. Most remodels go over budget because no one independent is checking the work. Contractors are busy installing. Showrooms are busy selling. Designers are focused on the look. But no one is standing there asking, will this actually work long term? That's where independent tile consulting comes in. It's unbiased, standards-based guidance from someone who isn't selling you tile, labor, or products. The job isn't to upsell you. The job is to catch mistakes before they become expensive. This is where money gets saved. Wrong tile chosen for a wet area. Improper shower waterproofing. Substrate prep skipped or done wrong. Layouts that cause excess cuts, waste, and last-minute change orders. Independent build risk review is in the link below. These are the things that quietly blow budgets apart. Aligning design with reality. Design ideas are exciting, but they have to match reality. An independent review helps make sure what looks good on paper can actually be installed correctly, within budget, and without shortcuts. That's how you avoid a beautiful remodel that turns into a failure. What gets reviewed? This includes tile layout planning, material selection, waterproofing details, substrate prep, and installation standards. Problems are flagged early, when they're still cheap to fix. Why this protects your investment? Most tile jobs fail industry standards. Most homeowners don't regret remodeling because of style choices. They regret it because of things they didn't know to look for. Independent review protects your investment before demo even starts. If you want to avoid costly mistakes before they happen, my independent build risk review is linked below. It's designed to spot problems early, before they cost you thousands.